Good morning, children. In the last session, we discussed about the work people do. Everyone works to earn money, right? The work people do to earning money is known as a occupation. Can you spell occupation? O C C U P A T I O N. Occupation, right? We have a different kind of occupations in our society. Let us discuss about different kind of occupations around us, right? Yes, what we have discussed in last class: drivers, auto rickshaw, cabs, buses, right? If you want to go any place, if you need to go to any place, you should need a vehicle, right? Own vehicle or public transport. So whenever you use the public transport, the driver will be needed. So without driver we cannot go. Drivers work for earning money as well as they help us to, right? They help to reach our destination. What is our point from where to where we have to travel? So they will help us to reach the final destination. So that is drivers. Next one, pharmacist. Yes, pharmacists will help you to suggest the medicines and they will take care about that what the doctor prescribed the tablets, the pharmacist will give you and she will suggest you when we have to have tablet, before the lunch or after the lunch, before going to bed, so everything. Next one, what is the next one? Policeman. Yes, policeman will keep us very safely, right? Policeman works even at night times also, right? Like 24 hours. They will do their duty 24 hours. They have responsibilities in our society. They play an important role. And traffic police keep us safely on the roads, right? He has a great job. Even in the rainy season, even in sunny season, just he is standing in the middle of the road and he is suggesting, if you have to go to the right, you have to go take left. Like he will suggest and he will say the instructions. Even in the rainy also, he could stand there only, right? That is the one of the occupation. So they are doing the works not only for earning money, they have to help the community, means society. And children, we have a special occupations, right? Teacher loves to teach, right? Teacher first of all should love the teaching. Then only the teacher will say very nice and very good, right? That means he will reach the satisfaction level. Otherwise, if you not like the subject, for suppose you have the 6 subjects, right? If you like the subject, if you love the subject, you can gain the more knowledge in the subject. But if you not like the subject, what will happen? You cannot reach that subject, and as well as you cannot read that, you cannot understand that, you cannot write the exams right? So what happens? You will be gain the very less marks. So whenever you love the subject, whenever you love your occupation, you can do better. So what happens here? So if the teacher loves the occupation, he teaches very well. If the tailor, do you know who is tailor? Who stitches the clothes is known as a tailor. If the stitcher loves the stitching, he can stitch the clothes very neatly and very suitable, right? And what is the next occupation? Firefighter. Yes, firefighter, he plays an important role also. He has to save the people from the danger, as well as I think he have a great enthusiasm, as well as he is like adventurous, right? What fire accident means? Just he have to go there and he have to save the people from danger. That is one adventure. So the people who wants to become a firefighter, they must have the adventures, okay? Adventure skills, right? What is a skill? The ability doing something better than others, right? Is known as a skill. Yes, what we have discussed in last class, skill, ability. the ability doing something better than others is known as a skill. Okay children, next one, a doctor. A doctor likes his occupation. Whenever he likes his occupation, he care about the people, right? If you get sick or if you are unwell, you can go to the doctor. So whenever the doctor treat you well, you can satisfy as well as you will recover from that. You will get well very soon. So every person should love their occupation. Otherwise, he cannot succeed in their life. Not only in occupation, in studies also. You should love all the subjects. Okay, not only few subjects. You should love all subjects equally. Then only you will reach your goal, right? And we have a few more occupations, children. Do you know actors and actresses? Yeah, in films we can see the actors. The people who can love to act, they will become actors. They have a training schools also, like training institutes. In the training institutes, they will learn the more acting skills. So later, they can act in the films. They will get a good names, right? We also have a movies and films. Yeah, we have seen more films. In the films, we like some characters very well, right? For example, Bahubali. You like Bahubali, like as Pravas, right? So the actors should be love the occupation as well as he have to learn the more skills, acting skills, and he have to perform very well. So then only he will reach the destination. He will reach the goal, right? Next one, musicians, right? Yeah, we have a favorite songs. Whoever sings that songs? Singers. So musicians means nothing but singers as well as singers as well as musical directors, right? Musical directors will play the musical instruments, singing and composing also. These all belongs to musicians. Okay. So what to do? They have to love their occupation as well as they have to succeed in their life. That is one of the occupation. Next one, chef and bakers. Who want to make a food, who want to prepare a delicious food, they become a cook, right? Chef or baker. Who are expert in baking food, baking cakes, they become a baker, right? So the person who want to settle in a chef, he has to love the cooking and he has to love the baking food and different continental food and different styles of food. Yes, Asian food. So he have to perform well, he have to cook well, then only he will get success. So children, so in this session what we have understand, every work, yeah, we have the special works around us, right? We have a special works, but every work is special. Okay, not one work is high, not one work is low. Every work is equal, right? So in our society, without driver, so we cannot drive the bus, right? Without cleaners, we cannot clean the school as well as bus. So without chef, we cannot cook the large amount of food, right? So every occupation has a special and unique greatness, right? So don't compare one occupation to another one. So that is not good. Every occupation is equal. Okay children, so respect the all occupations and you want to decide. Okay, you have to keep your goal. You have to reach your goal and you will be succeeded. You have to work for that. Okay, and we have one activity, children. See in page number 4. What do you want to be when you are grow up? Use gesture to help your partner guess the occupation you choose. Yeah, what do you want to become? Here, gestures. First, children, for example, doctor. He will keep the stethoscope on hard, right? Like just you have to, if you want to become a doctor, you can choose the guest. And if you want to become a teacher, what he teaches is writing on the blackboard. And when she teaches or he teaches like this, right? You can use the gesture and you have to say your aim, your goal to the partner or friends. Okay, that is one activity, children. You can perform in front of your parents or in front of your cousins or brothers or friends. So let them guess. Okay, let them guess your goal. That is your work. And here two questions there. Did your partner guess your occupation correctly? Okay. After performing, if they are okay, guess means you can keep tick mark in this box. Otherwise, no. And which occupation did you choose? Why? So which occupation did you choose? Why? We have more occupations, but among all the occupations, why you preferred? Okay, especially something you have to write the reason. So this is today work, children. You can underline the